Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock your iPhone 17R without password. Okay, so as you take a look, I have my screen lock set and I don't remember the passcode and I cannot use my iPhone. But don't worry, we can solve that problem. But before we start, please only try to unlock your device and not allocate someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical. So have that in mind. This process also works on any iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max. So if you have some similar devices, so it will also work. Also, we have to perform a reset of our device using the Mac or PC with the... when it comes to the PC, we'll have also to download the Apple Devices app. And then we will have to connect our device into the PC to perform that reset. And basically we will lose all of our data. So I'm sorry, but that's what we need to do. But if you have a backup in your iCloud, for example, you'll be able to restore it during the setup process. Also, in that setup process, the iPhone will want us to log in into the Apple account on which we are logged in before the reset, as a confirmation that we are actually the users of this iPhone. Okay, and now, what to do? In my case, I'm going to use the Mac. So now I will connect my iPhone into the Mac, just like that. Okay. Now we need to enter the recovery mode. To do it, we need to click volume up, volume down, and we need to hold the power button for a little bit. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Simply keep holding now the power button until we get in the recovery mode. It's going to take a little bit, but simply be patient. And keep holding. The Apple logo appeared, but keep holding still the power button. Alright, just like that. As you can see, this icon appeared. That's the thing that we have wanted to get. And now, what to do? I'll make a little bit of a space right in here. And now I will get my Mac. Okay. Just like that. And now, as you take a look, open up the Finder app, select your iPhone, and click on Restore. Click on Restore and Update. Click on Next. Click on Agree. And now on the bar down below we can see that downloading iPhone software's update is running. We have the time remaining, how long is it going to take. So now we just need to simply wait until this bar gets to the end. Okay, now as you take a look, the Mac is extracting the software into our iPhone. Alright, preparing iPhone for restore. Okay, in my case, as you take a look, the last bar, I think it's the last bar, is coming to an end. Also on my iPhone we have the bar that it's loading and it's almost at the end, so let's simply wait until it's finished. It should be the last part, I think. Alright, verifying iPhone software. Verifying iPhone restore. Also on the iPhone, we are almost at the edge of this loading bar. Okay, and as you take a look, your iPhone has been restored. We have this info. Now, the Apple logo appeared. And now, again, we need to simply wait a little bit. I'll place my Mac next to me. I'll place the iPhone right in here. Okay, another bar appeared. And now we need to simply wait until this bar gets to the end. And after that, our iPhone will launch. And the next thing that we need to do is to simply set it up. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.